Hey students, we are here for mini lesson number 3 on writing fluency. Today I want to talk about this subject which is really important, and it's all well and good to have your topic, to have your claim, your evidence, and your reasoning, and to have credibility as a writer, but it all really boils down to having a fluency that delivers something that is readable and comprehensible to your reader. So towards that end, 1, you need to practice. 2, you need to make sure that you have the right word choice or diction coupled with vocabulary. 3, you need to make sure that you are clear that your writing fluency is portraying a picture for your reader that they can follow. And 4, you want sentence variety. Everything from your short staccato style sentences to the medium sentences to the big, long, robust sentences. And you want to use them with difference across your paper, across a paragraph. So some short, some medium, some long, more medium, more long, more short, so that your reader has interest as they're reading with you. So let's look at our example here. Here in this early part of it, we have the phrase controls its citizens. We are very specifically talking about our subject, which is, as we know, the elimination of speech and thought. And this use of word choice here really hits this one home. We go forward, and this continues as we talk about exiting individuality and intellect from the superstate, coupled with intellect is dangerous to sameness. Again, we have the language that's directly answering our question and supporting our initial claim. We are being clear. We are painting that picture for our reader. Moving forward, to capture and monitor one's words, this is a short and simple phrase in a relatively short sentence, and it again highlights this important theme in 1984. Lastly, we look at this longer, more robust sentence. It reads, with this many cameras at work and a cell phone in the hand of innumerable individuals, one can envision a future where one's speech, thought, and movement is tracked, logged, potentially limited. This, again, paints our picture. It's a very big sentence, different than some of those that have come before. It highlights this idea that surveillance can be dangerous. And so it's doing multiple things at once. It's creating that interest in length. It's really using effective word choice. It paints a clear picture for our reader. It's also wrapping things up here at the end. Final notes. It's hard to have strong writing fluency if your grammar and your punctuation are not in place. So be mindful to use all those conventions which you know, proper use of commas and semicolons, capital letters, end punctuation. Make sure that you are also using word choice and vocabulary that really fits the subject. When we're talking about surveillance here, things like the words control, monitor, capture, these words really fit. Make sure that your words fit your subject. Going forward, again, make sure that you have sentence variety. Don't just use short, segmented sentences throughout your whole paragraph or paper. Use short, medium, and long, and weave them together so that you create a tapestry of words that really compels the reader. That's what we have for today. I really hope that this lesson, coupled with our lesson on credibility and our other lesson on evidence and reasoning, help you build out what is a really awesome final product. Thanks, guys.